Today, we're sharing a special moment as we create a playful haven for our feathered friend. With her wings clipped, our bird couldn't experience the joy of flight. But today marks a new chapter as we grant her the gift of exploration and freedom. Every piece carefully chosen to ensure her safety and enjoyment. As we unveil the intricate playground, her curiosity takes over. Watch as she embarks on a journey of discovery through this bird paradise. By sharing this video with you, we hope to spread the joy and inspire others to create similar moments of happiness.